How to add someone from another country on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone from another country on your Snapchat. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Snapchat. Once you're here, you need to tap on Maps icon located in the bottom right corner. Now that you're in the maps, you can simply go ahead and pinch the map. Once you do that, you'll be able to see different countries over here. If you want to add people from another country, you can simply go ahead and tap on the name of that country. Once you do that, you will be able to see the users from that country. Now, if you want to add them, you need to simply go ahead and tap on add option over here. And once you do that, they will be added to your Snapchat. And you can find similar accounts below as well. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.